Hi everyone, it's the food clinic again, and today I'm sharing the chicken fettuccine recipe. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. Please feel at home. So we've got our chicken, mushroom and pasta. In a pan we add some oil, followed by the chicken. Have cut 2 chicken breasts to small strips, as you can see in the video. Add some salt, black pepper, and stir fry the chicken until the color turns golden. So at this point, we remove the chicken and put it aside. In the same pan, add some butter, followed by onions, add the garlic paste, and saute until the onions turns a little bit brown. Add mushroom. The mushroom should be thick because it shrinks on cooking. Add salt, black pepper, and stir fry until the mushrooms become ready. We then add cooking cream, and 1 cup of water. Leave it to boil for 5 minutes. So then add chicken and fresh parsley. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Stir a little bit and leave it cook for 5 minutes. So meanwhile, we have water here. I have added some oil and salt to it, so we're going to boil it for pasta. When the water boils, add the pasta and let the pasta cook until it gets ready. So when the pasta gets ready, we remove it from the water and add it to our sauce. Mix well and leave it to cook on medium for around 3 to 5 minutes. So this is our pasta ready. You can enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing, commenting. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you receive all the videos in time. Bye.